Last week I told Luna it was bath time. She looked up at me, rolled her eyes, and went, quote, whatever. One word. My blood pressure hit 180. Then I said one sentence back to her. And for the next 3 days, she literally did not speak to me. Not one word.
That one sentence you said? It's the same sentence 99% of parents say when their kid talks back. And it quietly teaches her that real feelings aren't safe to say out loud. I'll give you the 3 magic replacements later, but first, own it. What did you say?
I said, don't you talk back to me. My parents said that to me growing up. What's the problem?
Okay. And how often do you tell your parents what you're actually feeling these days?
I haven't called my mom in 3 months.
Right. That's the long-term outcome of don't talk back. Kids who were forbidden to push back become one of 2 adults. Type 1. They nod along, then go do whatever they wanted to anyway. Type 2, even worse, they shut down. They stop sharing anything real with you forever.
That's literally me and my mom. That's terrifying.
Here's what happened inside Luna's head. She just took a tiny risk. She expressed displeasure. She's not being defiant. She's practicing saying what she actually feels. And then you slam the door on it. What she learned wasn't respect. What she learned was, telling Daddy the truth gets me yelled at, so I'll stop telling him anything real.
Okay, but her tone was disrespectful. You're saying I just let her speak to me like that?
You can address the tone, but separate 2 things. One is expressing displeasure. The other is expressing it rudely. You don't throw out the gift because you don't like the wrapping.
Hold on. Her talking back is a gift?
Yes. A kid who's willing to talk back is a kid who still wants to talk to you. She hasn't given up on you yet. The silent one is the one you should actually be worried about.
But half the time her arguments make no sense. Why do I have to brush my teeth? Why do I have to go first? I don't have time to debate every single thing.
You don't have to debate. You just have to make her feel heard. And listen, feeling heard is not the same as getting what she wants. Heard is not the same as agreed with.
Okay, so what do I say instead? Give me the first magic phrase.
Phrase 1. I hear you. You don't want to do this right now, do you? That's it. Just acknowledge that you heard her. Because the engine driving talking back is, no one is actually listening to me. Once she feels listened to, half the fight is already gone.
What about the other half?
Phrase 2. I know you want to keep playing, but it's bath time now. Acknowledge the feeling, then calmly restate the boundary. No explaining, no negotiating, no threatening.
And if she still digs in?
Phrase 3, and this one is straight up magic. Do you want to do A first or B first? What she really wants isn't no bath. What she really wants is, I want to decide something, anything, for myself. Give her 2 options you can both live with. She finds her control inside your frame.
Honestly, that sounds like I'm just coaxing her.
It's not coaxing. It's turning a command into a partnership. A kid gets commanded 50 to 100 times a day. She's not listening. She has command fatigue.
50 to 100? Come on, that can't be real.
This morning, get up, brush your teeth, put on your clothes, eat your breakfast, stop playing with the cup, put your jacket on, hurry up, get in the car, buckle your seatbelt. 9 commands. In half an hour. You didn't count. She did.
Okay, hold on. Stay with me. What about older kids? Like 8, 10, 12, when the words get nastier, you're so annoying. Mind your own business. Same 3 phrases?
Stay with me. The most counterintuitive part is still coming. But yeah, same principle, just upgraded vocabulary. You're so annoying really means I feel controlled. Mind your own business really means I want more autonomy. Whether she's 3 or 13, the underlying need is identical.
So how do I respond to a 10-year-old saying that to me?
I hear you. You feel like I'm checking on you too much. You want to handle this on your own, right? Then give her the space to try. If she handles it, let her. If she screws it up, that's her lesson.
And if she screws it up, I have to bite my tongue and not say I told you so?
I told you so is the nuclear bomb of the parent-child relationship. One sentence ends her willingness to ever come to you with a problem again. Never. Say, it, instead. One sentence. Do you need any help? That's the whole thing.
What about full-on teenagers? The slammed bedroom door you don't understand anything version?
Upgrade to phrase 4. You're right, I probably don't understand. Whenever you're ready, I want to hear it. Then walk away. Don't chase. Don't push. What she needs is not for you to fix it. She needs to know you're still there. Within a week, she'll come find you on her own.
So whether she's 3 or 13, same principle.
Whether she's 3 or 13, same principle. Hear her. Reaffirm the boundary. Offer a choice. Only the wording and the amount of space changes.
One more. Phones. My 10-year-old nephew says, "Why can other kids use it and I can't? I usually just shut it down."
Classic mistake. Try. I hear you. You feel like it's unfair. What do you think is a fair amount of time per day? Let him answer. Then give the choice. Okay, 30 minutes before bed or 30 minutes after dinner. You pick. Because now it's his rule, not your rule. When he breaks his own rule, he feels guilty. When he breaks your rule, he just thinks you're being unreasonable.
Okay. Now, please, give me that 5-second technique. The one for when I'm about to lose it.
The instant she talks back, your brain's panic alarm goes off. It tells you this is an attack, fire back. But the rational part of your brain takes about 5 seconds to catch up. So your one job, shut your mouth for 5 seconds. Count silently. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And she won't just keep going at me during those 5 seconds?
She might. But after those 5 seconds, the first sentence out of your mouth will be, I hear you, not, don't you ever talk to me that way. 5 seconds saves the next 30 years of your relationship with her.
Okay, wait. This skill she's learning, how to politely disagrees, that's not just a home thing, is it?
In 30 years, ChatGPT is going to write her emails, her essays, probably half her code. But AI cannot negotiate with humans for her. The adult who can look their boss in the eye and say, I disagree, here's whys, that person will always have work. And the kid at your dinner table saying, whatever right now, she is literally practicing that exact muscle. Don't kill it, shape it.
She uses whatever because she hasn't seen me model anything better, has she?
Bingo. So model it. Next time you disagree with her, use the exact sentence. Luna, I disagree about candy right now because we haven't had dinner. Kids copy what you do, not what you tell them to do.
Okay, let me summarize. 1. Talking back isn't bad. It's proof she still wants to talk to me. 2. Saying, don't talk back trains her to never tell me anything real. 3. 3 magic phrases. I hear you. I know you want X, but Y, and A or B. 4. With older kids, upgrade to, I probably don't understand, but I want to hear it when you're ready. 5. When I'm about to explode, shut up and count to 5.
100%. Your homework. Next time she talks back, no yelling. Try the 3 phrases. And if you can't even manage 5 seconds, that's an adult problem, not a kid problem.
Fair. Tonight, I'm going home to apologize to Luna for those 3 days. I shut her down. If any part of this hit a nerve, drop a comment with the most savage thing your kid has said to you this week. We need the solidarity.
And next time she says, whatever, shut your mouth for 5 seconds. Then say, I hear you. 3 days from now, you'll notice. She's telling you real things again. Because the goal of parenting was never to silence her. The goal is to teach her how to speak. A kid who can speak the truth at home will stand up anywhere as an adult.